What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing? We are doing number 3. Select. Good luck, everybody. Okay. Michael Pittman. Dak Prescott, red, out of 49 field level. Saucy. Grant Delpit. Henry Ruggs. Brian Edwards, silver field level. Raiders. Jimmy Lee. Henry Ruggs again. Ooh. That's a big boy. Jalen Hurts. Is that gold? Is this going to be gold? It's gold. Field level. Big hit. Monster hit right there. Keyshawn Vaughn. We got Isaiah Wilson, Titans out of 49. Keyshawn Vaughn. Silver, Terry Bradshaw. Justin Jefferson, George Kittle, Mr. Herbert, Patty Mahomes, a T. Higgins, a nice Chase Young, Washington. Very nice T. Higgins, silver, Cincinnati field level, not field level, club level, Mike Sutherland. A blue Cam Newton out of 25. Concourse. CeeDee Lamb. Jake Ludden. Jerry Jeudy. Man, we got a coach for the Titans. 49. And a silver Jerry Jeudy. Denver. Jimmy Lee. Alright, so the big hit, there's some good stuff in there, but I got a base in a golden Jalen Hurts. That's pretty sweet right there. Really good boxes. I mean, there's so many hits in there. There's literally more cards that get top loaded than not top loaded. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weekly giveaway. Goodness. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mike Sutherland. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Simpson and Carter go into the monthly. There we go. Congrats. Box. I mean, number 3. Done. Cajun.